Every business will start from a survival stage. The number one is struggle stage. Then, few years, depending on your effort, maybe you can jump a little bit into survival stage. And then, kapag nagsipag-sipag ka pa rin at hindi ka sumusuko, there will be time na makakatalon ka rin naman sa susunod na stage, which is stability stage. So, stability, okay na. Gumagana na, may sales na, may natitira na sa kita mo. Minsan, ang mga tao tumitigil sa stability. Akala nila yun na yun. Pero meron pang dalawang stage, which is success stage. Yan yung hindi na ikaw ang lahat ng gumagawa. Meron ng different departments at second line of leaders na nag-aasikaso ng mga departments na ito. You're thinking of how to scale the business, which is the fifth stage of the business. Scale, hindi ka nakilala as an owner. Ang kilala lang ay yung brand mo. Yun yung trinatry kong sundan. Na I embrace the fact that I started from struggle, then I go through survival, then I reach stability, and I'm excited to be in the success stage and looking forward to be in a scale stage of a business.